We don't just report on the future, we decode it.
Right now, silicon is learning to feel your heartbeat, to anticipate your thoughts, to see the world through you. This isn't science fiction, this is happening. The smartphone era is ending. What's replacing it will change everything about how you live, heal, and experience reality. Welcome to Novatech. We don't just report on the future, we decode it. Imagine knowing you're getting sick before you feel a single symptom. Not a guess, a certainty. The latest generation of AI wearables isn't just counting your steps. These devices are running continuous diagnostics on your biology, detecting patterns invisible to human perception. Heart rate variability, skin conductance, blood oxygen microfluctuations. Companies like Whoop and Oura have trained neural networks on millions of health events. The result? Their algorithms can now detect the onset of illness up to 48 hours before symptoms appear. Some research models are pushing that window to 72 hours. But here's where it gets truly transformative. The next wave of biosensors will monitor glucose without needles, detect early-stage cancers through electromagnetic signatures, track neurological changes that precede conditions like Parkinson's. These aren't prototypes. Clinical trials are underway right now. Your body is generating data every millisecond. AI is finally learning to read it, but protecting your health is only half the story. What happens when that same silicon intelligence takes control of your entire living space? The smart home you know is about to become obsolete. Because current systems have a critical flaw. They send your data to the cloud. Every voice command, every camera feed, every personal moment, traveling to distant servers. Edge computing changes that equation entirely. New generation home hubs are embedding powerful AI chips directly into your living space. These processors handle everything locally, meaning your data never leaves your walls. Privacy isn't just protected, it's architecturally guaranteed. And these systems are getting remarkably intelligent. Edge AI can now learn your patterns without human programming. It knows when you wake, when you work, when you need silence. It routes solar energy to batteries during peak pricing. It detects anomalies, recognizing when someone's home who shouldn't be. The house isn't just connected anymore, it's aware. But there's one piece of technology that ties all of this together. And it's about to make the device in your pocket feel like a relic. For 15 years, we've lived with our heads down, staring at glass rectangles. That era is ending. The next computing paradigm doesn't fit in your pocket. It sits on your face. Companies like Meta, Apple, and emerging players like Brilliant Labs are racing toward a tipping point. The latest AR prototypes weigh under 50 grams, project vivid displays across your entire field of view, and run AI assistants that see what you see in real time. Imagine never needing to pull out a phone again. Information appears exactly when you need it, where you need it. Your calendar floats beside your morning coffee. Navigation guides your path without a single glance downward. Faces you've met before come with instant context, their name and your last conversation surfacing naturally. Your body's guardian, your intelligent environment, and your window to augmented reality, all unified by silicon intelligence. Computing won't be something you do, it will be something you simply exist within. The silicon evolution isn't coming, it's here. If this opened your eyes to what's next, hit that like button. And if you know someone who needs to see where technology is heading, share this with them. Subscribe to Novatech and stay at the frontier of discovery. We don't just report on the future, we decode it.